is it okay to, indulge once in a while? That, मैं 5 दिन clean खाती हूँ, once or twice. Like, because practically in life, like if you're celebrating, you want to go out for dinner.
Yeah.
You want to go out for lunch. किसी का birthday है, किसी का celebration है. So, do I not eat out at all? I mean, is it okay to be unhealthy once in a while? Is one question. Two, there's another, concept that I've heard is, from Monday to Friday, be a monk, and then, from Friday to Saturday, Friday to Sunday, do whatever you want, right? Is it okay to be a monk, be very clean, and then for 3 days cheat? Because this is also something that I've heard people talk about, and,
See, if you want to live a normal life, 80-20 rule. 80% of the time you do good things, 20% of the time you can afford to be adventurous with your food, with your lifestyle, because your body can withstand it. But if you want to be super successful in your life, you only move forward 100% of the time. Okay? When you eat good foods, when you live a good lifestyle, you're taking 5 steps forward Monday to Friday.
Right.
And then Saturday, Sunday, you go binge drinking and binge eating all the junk food. Monday, you'll wake up with inflammation, water retention, edema, swelling, your brain fog, lack of coordination, lack of concentration, mood swings, irritability, unhealthy gut, constipation. Monday, Tuesday, आपका 2 दिन चला जाता है वो चीज़
साफ
बाहर
करने
निकालने
में, right.
फिर वेडनेसडे आप थोड़ा बहुत काम शुरू करते हो फ्रॉम स्क्वायर जीरो. हर हफ्ते अगर आप यही करते जाओगे तो आप यहाँ से शायद यहाँ तक ही पहुँच पाओगे. लेकिन अगर आप 100% एक्यूरेट रहेंगे every single day, you will
That's really
become
when you move
the
forward.
real achiever. Let me tell you, the most successful people in the world have the simplest lifestyle and the simplest dietary protocols.
I think very interesting thing is कि you can be very healthy or you can look healthy, but you can have very bad gut health still, right? You can, आजकल बोलते हैं कि for anything it's like have a probiotic, and is that a solution for everyone? Maybe not.
No.
But I think we've got so accustomed to अपने reels, shares and chat GPT कि हम सबके solutions अपने पे implement करते हैं versus actually figuring out कि हमारे लिए क्या सही है और हमें क्या
Quick
करना
fix,
चाहिए.
right? हर चीज़ एक क्विक फिक्स हो गया, इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन हो गया. यू वांट लव, स्वाइप लेफ्ट, स्वाइप राइट. यू वांट गुड बैक्टीरिया, ड्रिंक अ प्रोबायोटिक.
Yes.
यू वांट मसल्स, हैव अ प्रोटीन शेक. हर चीज़ के लिए क्विक फिक्स हो गया है. मतलब मेहनत हमें नहीं करनी है, हमें रिजल्ट्स तुरंत चाहिए. लेकिन